Here's a much easier way to clean your microfiber towels like a pro. Here are 3 simple things that you need to know. Your microfiber towels will thank you. And I'll share with you 3 easy steps. Number 1, no bleach, fabric softener, or dryer sheet. If you accidentally use some fabric softener, have no fear. Just do a 15 to 20 minute soak in some vinegar and then wash as normal. Number 2, wash your microfiber towels only with other microfiber towels. And no, I do not use different colors to designate different areas of my home when it comes to microfiber towels. I do have an effective trick for you in just a second. And number 3, nothing hot. That means no hot water and no hot dryer. Yes, you can use a dryer. We'll get to that here in just a second. Here are 3 simple things that you should do, and I have done these things for years without damage to any of my microfiber towels. Number 1, make sure you have a lot of microfiber towels on hand. You want to have some in every single bathroom, your kitchen, your cupboards, your pantry, anywhere. This is going to make cleaning so much easier when you have easy access to your cleaning supplies. I love this pack of 75 microfiber towels. Yes, 75 that you can easily tear off and reuse. These number 1 best-selling options on Amazon are also wonderful. Here's another reason I like to have a lot of microfiber towels on hand. When I'm doing a load of laundry, I don't just want to wash 8 tiny microfiber towels in an entire wash cycle. Thumbs up if you can relate to me on that one. So I like to have a lot on hand, and I want to run a big wash cycle all at once. Number 2, wash on warm water. Make sure that you have a good laundry detergent. And then 2 bonus items that I swear by when it comes to washing microfiber towels. 1, a laundry sanitizer, especially if you're cleaning some really dingy, dirty areas. And number 2, and some sort of rinse and refresh to really get in that microfiber and clean it out. I'm going to link some non-scented versions for you as well, just in case you have a version. And because of these 2 products, I'm easily able to mix and match my microfiber towels. That way, I don't have to just use green for the bathroom and pink for the kitchen. I can interchange them all around my house. Here's the other little trick. When you are cleaning your toilet, I like to first start with a Lysol disinfecting wipe. That way, when I go in with a microfiber towel, should I still need to, they're not as contaminated, if you know what I mean. So this, paired with washing on warm water and a good laundry disinfectant and the rinse and refresh, your microfiber towels are good to go anywhere in your home. Tip number 3, yes, I do dry my microfiber towels on a warm heat, but warm. Many will recommend that you dry them with no heat. However, here's the problem. It's going to take forever to get those towels dry, and you'll end up having to run your dryer multiple times. Some will also recommend that you hang dry your microfiber towels. I don't know about you, but I don't want a ton of microfiber towels hanging around my home as they try and dry, especially if you have quite a few of them. If you don't like that option, you can also use the delicate option on your dryer. My goal when it comes to cleaning is to help you work smarter rather than harder. My favorite products are linked in the description box below and pinned in the comments section, linked on screen. Are we friends on Instagram? If not, make sure that you follow at Andrea Jean Cleaning, where I share the best of the best tips, tricks, and so much more. Sign up for that free weekly newsletter linked in the description box as well, and then click this video on screen now to keep the fun going. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.